Since I want to have this fan to have 2 speeds, I'll have to install a resistor, and I like to put it inside the heater box. It's kind of out of the way and the wires are all close. So I will drill a hole for these 2 studs on the side here and mount it. Since one of the wires from the fan is going to go to the resistor, we need another wire. So I'm gonna reuse one of the old wires from the old fan, and that's going to go from the resistor to the outside to connect to the wire that comes from the switch. So I drilled the 2 holes for the resistor, and I'm gonna insert them from the back side to the inside, and then we'll use these clips to hold them on. I actually trimmed these little pins so they are narrower, because I think these are metric and these are standard. Finally got the clips on with some brute force approach by pushing with this socket and extension, and so we have the resistor mounted, and then I'm going to attach a wire to it. And this is the old wire that I cut off from the old fan. And now we can insert the fan. And the old fan had these tabs on the places that hold it in, so I'm going to put that on the new fan as well. I'm going to run the wires through. First they go through this hole. They come out right here, and then they have to go through here. First through here. Fan goes in with the wires going to be right by that hole. So there, the wires are coming out right here, and this needs to reach the resistor. I might have to lengthen it. So the wiring is connected. One of the wires from the fan goes to the resistor. The ground wire and the other power wire is gonna come out of the box along with the other wire that goes to the resistor.